Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinikilong ki khubor bam da kasni. U MLA Mawlai ba bright stawal mar banyang ulakin mau yu nong yalam rat ba akajilla. Ubadai u MLA barim Mawlai but usimbut menteri rang ba akajilla. Ya katay kajingkan mau burom ya ki MLA balaklat no. Kaying dorbar thawan kalakan mau burom but Syniang u bynhei ba kila no sya akajilla. Na kaliang uba bright stawal mar banyang ublayo banyakran banya pinsngo haying dorbar thawan ula pinkan mau ya ki jingno Syniang jeng uba SD Khongwir ya akajilla. Bat kum urang ba asnong ba san po san snem jeng Mawlai nong lum. Uba Khongwir ula syakri hadu san samoy kum u MLA bat iki kerdan baper ha ke sorkar bat ha ke imlang salang. Ude sembut menteri rang ba baningkong nadu snem syajar kendai spa nyopo pra hadu syajar kendai spa nyopo kendai. Bat long biang ha usnem syajar kendai spa nyopo kendai hadu syajar kendai spa prapulai. Uba Khongwir ula syakri ru ha ke Ministry of Finance ha Delhi. But hadin ula longkumu Assistant Revenue Officer hapo ka Autonomous District Council. Uba SD Khongwir ula klat no ha ubnai naiwing ar hajar ar pulai.
I am also a part of this locality where led by SD Khongwir. He was the Rangba Shnong. The loss of this great personality, in fact, it is not the loss only of his family members, but it is also loss of the community and the state as a whole. I don't have much of a personal one-on-one relationship with SD Khongwir, yet I fondly recollect just before the 2023 Assembly election. It was almost 8 months before the election. I had the opportunity to meet him personally because I feel at that point of time that this great man, this great personality deserves the respect from me, who have decided at that point of time to participate in this just concluded election. And he was so kind enough to accept my request, where he invited me to his residence, where I had a one-on-one discussion with him. And it was through these 45 minutes that I had discussion with him that I learned about his personality. Late SD Khongwir, as I can recollect, through my interaction with him, I could see that he is a person who had within him this charisma. He had the personality. And I wouldn't delve much into what he has done or his contribution, because as our senior members, from the leader of the house to the leader of the opposition, have expressed, because they have had the opportunity to work with him when he was still a member of this house. Some of the senior members, they know him better than me. But then what I've learned when I met late SD Khongwir is that he is a person who encourages each and every person, and especially to me on that particular day, where he gives his blessings. And I would really express my deepest condolence to his family members, and I do wish that may his soul rest in peace. Thank you.